Today we are going to create a new instance in AWS Amazon Web Service. So for that, navigate to your account and don't forget to check the location and then click Launch Instance. Type the name whatever you want in Ubuntu. So the keypad like I'm already having. So selecting that keypad. If you want a new one, create a new keypad. And then according to you configure whatever you want, and there are some options in advanced detail also: the domain, joint directory, IAM, instant profile, and the host type, etc. According to me, it's enough to me. If you want to configure anything, you can configure and click launch instance. It will take several time. It has created. Again, navigate to EC2 and go to the running status, and we have to wait for a minute. We have to wait for the minute to change the instance state from pending to running. Yeah, that's the instance state is pending to running. The LSWPK which we have created, and we have to wait for the status check. The two checks should be passed, and we got an IP address, and I think so. Okay, we have to wait the status check initializing to checks passed. So status checks initializing to change it to checks passed. The two checks is passed. After the checks passed, so we have to add a security bound over here. So go inside the instance ID, and here scroll down. There is a security, and here there is a already I have added some securities. So you might see only one, that is a 80 or 0, and go to click on this one and navigate to here and click on the security ID group, and here click edit bound rules and add the custom TCP, SSH, HTTP, HTTPS, and Postgres. I'm using Postgres, so I'm using Postgres, and click add rule. Once you have added a rule, it will add another custom TCP. So you can add a rule by this one. So save rules and go back. So after this one, uh, if you don't do this inbounded rules in the security group, then your website will not run. It simply show like error not found, like that, even though it's not shown a headers response as a nginx. So don't forget to give a inbound rules over here, that is a http, https, and TCP, and SSH, and Postgres. Now we have to configure the nginx server, and we have to install .NET Angular project and run in the web using this public IPv4.